Secret Murder Mystery 2 Pro Tips revealed. Master stealth, decode players, and dominate the game with these hidden strategies. Did you know moving silently can make you a legend in Murder Mystery 2? Glide across the map like a shadow, keep those footfalls soft. Sneak up on your rivals and stay unnoticed. This is your first step to victory.
Forget the obvious hiding places, pro players know the secret is in the unexpected. Tuck yourself into corners, behind objects, or blend into the scenery. Make them wonder where you vanished. Want to stay ahead? Get inside your opponent's heads. Watch their movements, predict their next steps, and be ready to counter. It's like having a superpower on the map.
Special items are your secret weapons. From invisibility potions to speed boosts, use them wisely and turn the game in your favor. Surprise your foes with unexpected tactics. Stay one step ahead by avoiding common traps and pitfalls. Keep your cool, stay alert, and dodge those tricky setups. Remember, the best players are always vigilant.